Welcome to this video, where I will guide you through the simple process of changing your password in the NBA app on your phone. Whether you want to update your password for security reasons or just prefer a new one, this tutorial will help you do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the NBA app on your phone. Once the app is fully loaded, look for the profile icon at the top right and tap on it. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your personal settings. Next, find the option labeled Edit My Profile. Inside this menu, you will see a Change Password option. Tap on Change Password to proceed to the next step. Then, you will need to enter your current password to verify your identity. After that, type in your new password carefully and make sure it is strong enough to protect your account. Once you have entered your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. Finally, click on the Update Password button to save your changes. That your password has been updated successfully. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.